Is money everything? I sold my mother for money. Yes, you heard it right. And the worst part is, she was still alive. People were clapping outside, and I was standing there with money in my hand because that day I became rich. But at the same time, I lost something that I can never get back. Life was not always like this. A few months ago, my life was simple, not rich, but peaceful. And I had a small job, a small house, and one person who was everything to me, my mother. My mother always said, money is important, but not everything. I never argued, but inside I did not agree. Because in this world, money feels like everything. Respect, comfort, survival, everything needs money. Then one day, everything changed. My mother suddenly fell down at the kitchen. I still remember the sound of the plate breaking, then silence, hospital emergency, doctors running, machines making sound. Then the doctor said she needs surgery cut immediately. I asked, how much? They said 5 lakh? 5 lakh? For some people, it is nothing. For me, it was impossible. I tried everything. I called my relatives and no one answered. I asked my friends. They said, I wish I could help. But wishing does not save lives. Money does. I even went to my boss. I begged him. He just said, work harder next time. Next time? What about now? Days were passing and my mother was getting worse, and I understood something. I was not losing her to illness. I was losing her to poverty. Then one man came, clean clothes, calm voice, but something strange in his eyes. He said, I can help you. I did not ask who he was. I just said, how? He smiled and said, nothing is free. First he said, sell your house. I did. Still not enough. Then he said, sell your things. I did. Even my memories were gone. Still not enough. Finally, he gave me a paper. Sign this, and you will get all the money. I read it once, twice, then my hand started shaking because it was not just paper, it was a deal. Life insurance in my mother's name. Condition. If she dies, I get the money. I said, but she is alive. He said, without money, she won't stay alive long. At that moment, something broke inside me. I went back to the hospital, sat beside my mother. She was weak, but she smiled. She held my hand and said, don't worry about money. I will be fine. I could not look at her because in my pocket, there was a pen. That could save her or end everything. That night, I did not sleep. I kept thinking, what is right? What is wrong? What is more important? Morality or her life? Morning came, and I made my decision. I signed the paper. The surgery started. Doctors changed. Everything became fast because now I had money. For the first time, I felt powerful, like I could control fate, but fate had other plans. That night, my mother held my hand again. She said, you are tired. Go home. I said, no, I will stay. She smiled and said, you have already done enough. I did not understand. Next day, I got a call. Come to the hospital. I ran. My heart was beating fast. Fear and hope together. When I reached, everything was quiet. The doctor said, I am sorry. My mother was gone. Everything ended in one moment. Then I understood everything, the deal, the time, everything. I did not save her. I just sold her time. That day, my bank account was full. For the first time, I had so much money. People said, now your problems are over. But they did not know. My life was over. I went home, empty house, empty walls, Empty silence, no one there, no voice, only money, a lot of money. And for the first time, I understood money can buy treatment, but not time. Money can give comfort, but not people. Money can make you rich, but also very lonely. Now every day, I count that money again and again, but now it feels heavy because every note reminds me I did not lose her because I was poor. I lost her the day I believed money is everything. Now tell me, what would you choose? Money or the person you can never get back? Comment below and subscribe to the channel. Your one like and one subscribe really motivates me to make more easy English practice videos for you. See you in the next lesson.